Did you know Ellis Island Hotel and Casino has suites? We're back at our home here in Vegas. Let's go. Third floor. Every floor has vending machines, drinks, and snacks. Ellis has 5 room types, 2 queens, a king, 2 queen suite, and a king suite, and lastly, the Elvis suite. Today, we're staying in the king suite. Let's check it out. Here's our living room. We have a fully stocked bar, the Keurig, and out here, we have a strip view. Look at this patio. You can see the horseshoe. This is gonna look really good tonight when it's all lit up. Mini fridge that's stocked for us, including Ellis's own beer. I see a turn 4 and other ones down there. Break. All different kinds of coffee. The sofa is also a pull-out sofa bed. Over here we have the guest bath, stand-up shower, all of the amenities. I really like this lit up mirror. It's great when you're putting your makeup on. Towels, hairdryer, everything your guests might need over here. Here's your master. The chair, you can see out to that great patio. I love the minimalist decorations. Here's your armoire for all of your stuff, extra bedding for the pull-out couch. Large drawers for people like us who are staying for multiple days. Same amenities. And over here, we have a shower over the tub. Let's talk pricing. Suites start about $130 a night during the week and are about $230 on the weekend. But you're only 2 blocks from the strips. It's a quick Uber ride, or you can walk. We usually Uber to Caesars, and then once there, you're right in the middle of everything.